Hey everyone, in today's video we're going to be showing you some drone video that we've taken with our new drone. We're going to show you what we got, why we got it, and a few places that it's been. We got the DJI Flip. It's a beginner, not the lowest end, but the beginner drone in the DJI brand. They make lots of drones, really expensive also. So this one was about $650-ish, maybe a little less. It came with a remote control that has a built-in like screen on it, so you can change some settings and do some things on it. The drone in general is very easy to use. 2 joysticks, one for left and right, one for up and down, forward, backward, etc. So it's pretty easy. Beginner drone. It's got some protection around the things here, the propellers, that so if you hit something it doesn't like completely shatter or break anything. So it's really good. So why did we get it? We got this drone because of some of the other boating channels that we watch. We watch Life by the Bow, Adventures of Happy Hours, Caribbean Castaways. They all have drones. So I thought it would be really cool on our videos, not just seeing, you know, basically through our eyes at sea level, but you could see from above. And some of the places that we've taken it will show that it's pretty cool when you have it out on the water. So when we first learned about the drone, we would take it to a Costco parking lot. And that was initially a little bit, I guess, I was nervous for sure, because I didn't know what I was doing, if I was going to crash it into something, someone, but it ended up being pretty good. I was just afraid that somebody's going to come up to me and say, hey, what are you doing? Why are you doing this drone here? So that was our initiation to it. It got really, you know, I got really comfortable with it. It's can go pretty far, and you'll see some video on that too. So after that, we took it to Turtle Beach. That's a pretty laid-back beach in our area. It's not Siesta Key where it's a touristy thing. It's mainly locals. We went, I believe, on a Sunday night, possibly. It was later in the evening, and we took it up there and we'll show some scenery around there. You can see the Gulf and some of the buildings around there, and even some of the intercoastal where they do some kayak launches. So after that, we took it to a drum circle at Siesta Key Beach. It's something that is every Sunday night, and we took it there. There were actually one other drone that we saw there filming too, so I felt pretty good there having one. This other drone got pretty close, so they probably have some pretty good footage. Then we finally took it out on the boat. I was comfortable enough. We brought it with on the boat. We took it to the Siesta Key area. We anchored at a sandbar there, and we took some footage all around. You can see some homes, some of the sandbar. You can see some of the Gulf. It's really cool seeing the aerial shots from here, and you can kind of get a glimpse of the downtown area of Sarasota as well. So here's some video of our travels with the drone so far. If you have any questions, let me know. I will link below where we got it, and if anyone has any questions, feel free to comment in the comments on it, and I'll definitely answer. And please subscribe if you like these videos. Give us a thumbs up, and let us know if there's anything you'd like to see out in our area. We're on the boat.